Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Sandy Springs, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Justin Bieber. The house has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms with a little over 5,000 square feet of space. Justin rented this from music producer Dallas Austin. The house is super big and is known for it looking like a spaceship. The house features a pool, hot tub, and many relaxation areas. Also, the ceilings are high in many parts of the home, giving it an airy vibe. Sandy Springs, Georgia, about 30 minutes to downtown Atlanta and minutes from Buckhead. Moreover, the area is extremely nice and safe. Also, it appears many other celebrities have homes in this area. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe.